What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be talking about how to replace your income and retire rich. So in this video, we're gonna show you how to use real estate investing to replace your income. Think about that. What if your income could be replaced? Imagine what that would be like. Now, here's the deal. I know what you're thinking, right? Real estate's too risky, or it's too hard, or most people think you need a lot of money to experience and start investing in real estate. But listen, it's not the case. There's other ways to go. And we're here to tell you today that those things are just myths. We're gonna break down for you exactly how anyone can do it, even if you're starting from scratch. Now, with the right strategy and some guidance, anyone can do this. So stay tuned, because in this video, we're gonna break it all down. Let's go. Okay, so here's the deal, right? Most people get stuck in the cycle of selling their time for money, right? You trade time for money. That's what a lot of us do. We go and get a job. It's not a bad thing. It's just what the deal is, right? And sometimes we get stuck in this corporate hamster wheel. Sometimes it's called the rat race, right? And we're forced to get up early, and then we got to get the kids off to school, and then we're grinding at the job for 9 hours, and then we rush to daycare to pick up the kids, and then we take them to soccer practice, and then we come home and we hope to get some dinner on the table, and we probably got Chick-fil-A because we didn't want to cook. And all of that on top of trying to connect emotionally with our family and with our kids and the people that we love the most inside of these couple hours that we have every day right before we go to bed. I mean, look, there can be fulfillment in a life like that, but is it really what you want? Just imagine, I mean, what would your life look like if you could replace your income with real estate investments? And what if you could spend more time with your family? What if you weren't constantly thinking, I gotta go to work so that I make money? What if it was just showing up on its own? What if you could even retire early with assets that are creating generational wealth for that family and those kids and the grandchildren, the ones you're trying to spend time with? We're gonna show you today 4 reasons why you should consider investing in your first rental property right away without waiting, so you can replace your income and retire early. You ready for this? Let's do it. Reason number 1, and this is one of my favorites: real estate creates multiple streams of income. Most of us invest in the stock market or other investments, like it could be cryptocurrency or whatever. And the idea is we throw money in, and then we sit back and we wait and we hope that it's gonna grow. That is one profit center. That's the only way that it works, is if it grows. With real estate, there's multiple profit centers. That growth, that's called appreciation, but that's only one. In addition, there's principal pay down by the tenants. We've talked about that in other videos. There is cash flow that's coming in. There's tax benefits. And there's a couple others that we're gonna talk about in this video. But guys, real estate is one of the only things on the planet that doesn't just generate income in one way, but it does it in multiple ways. Reason number 2, and this is one of the streams of income. It's not directly income, but it's one of the benefits of owning real estate. And it's this, that reason number 2 is real estate hedges inflation. Okay, everybody's worried about inflation, right? It's like, I know what it's like. You go to Costco, and what you used to spend $8 for is now $15, and there's half as much in the package. We all know what's going on. But with real estate, it's kind of interesting, because real estate has this ability to hedge inflation. Think about it. If inflation is happening, everything costs more, right? You know what else costs more? Real estate costs more. Because materials cost more, because labor costs more. If everything is costing more, that means that the home prices are actually growing. Now, if you own real estate, and real estate is a tangible asset, and tangible things like real estate have a tendency to hedge inflation. So now you own a tangible asset that is naturally increasing in price because of everything that's going on with inflation. And here's the craziest thing. If you own real estate with a mortgage, you are locked in at an interest rate for 30 years. You are at a fixed interest rate. So even when the prices go up, even when inflation goes crazy, even when builders are having to spend more to build real estate and it's driving the prices up, what you're actually paying for that property stays the same. So real estate, because it's tangible, because of the nature of the investment, actually hedges inflation. We have a lot of people that come to us right now and they're going, oh, I gotta put my money somewhere, I'm worried about inflation. They're coming for real estate because real estate acts differently. Real estate's just different. It acts different than a lot of things out there, okay? Now, we're We're gonna continue in just a minute, but I just wanna tell you, look, we got a couple more things I'm gonna share with you, but before I get there, I just wanna say thank you for being here and thank you for watching. It means so much to be able to do this channel. It's so fun to be able to interact with you guys. And this channel, it's all about showing you the tips and the tricks for getting started in real estate. We wanna help you win. We wanna help you make money in real estate. And if you wanna find out how to do real estate, how to get the best deals, how to make it as easy as possible, this channel is for you. You're in the right spot, okay? Now, if you wanna find out which markets to go to and how to get your biggest return and how to do it as easily as possible, maybe even how to have it done for you so you don't have to do the work, this channel is for you. We wanna set you up for success. We wanna set your family up for success. So hopefully you're not only getting those couple hours at night after you eat Chick-fil-A to be able to hang out and, watch The Bachelor. So we want you to be here. Please like the video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with any of your friends that you think will benefit most. Or if you just wanna be that smart person who's like, I found this great YouTube channel, you totally need to check it out. You're the one that's gonna show them, right? And that makes you the hero, and that's what it's all about, okay? So, let's get into the last couple tips. Now, reason number 3 that we love real estate and why it can help you retire rich is real estate does this really cool thing. It does this, what's it called? Oh yeah, appreciation. Now, here's the deal. If all you're looking at with real estate is appreciation, if you're only investing hoping that it's gonna grow, you may find yourself in trouble if the market takes a dive. However, real estate, now listen to this, okay? Real estate always appreciates, now here's the next 2 words, over time. You've got to give real estate time. Let me give you an example of this. My parents, who are awesome and I love them, I grew up in Oakland, California, well, just outside of Oakland, California, a place called San Leandro. And my parents bought a home there in like the 60s, right? It's a home that I grew up in. They bought the home for, I don't know, around $40,000. We sold that home in 2019, right before COVID, for nearly $800 grand. Now, let me tell you what this means. I don't know if 800 sounds like a lot or not, but from the 60s to 2019, there were real estate crashes. There were stock market crashes. There were dot-com bubbles bursting. There was different administrations. There was Democrats in office. There was Republicans in office. There was all kinds of stuff going on. Some very similar to what we're seeing here today. But the reality is they bought here, they sold here because they gave it time. With real estate has never not appreciated over time. Think about that. There's times when real estate has come down a little bit, but over time, it's never not appreciated, okay? That's reason number 3. Let's move on to reason number 4, and this is so cool. Real estate creates, listen to this, real spendable cash flow. Now, how many of you have invested in cryptocurrency? Maybe you got some Bitcoin, something like that, and you put money in and you watched it grow and it just went crazy, right? You're like, oh my gosh, look how rich I am. Did that create cash flow? Was that spendable? What did you have to do to spend it? You'd have to sell it. Then you get the money out, then you spend it. With stock market, what happens? You put it in the stock market, and then if you wanna spend it, you've gotta drain your account in order to spend it. But with real estate, it's different. Real estate creates real spendable cash flow. How many of you can look at your 401k statement and go to the store and buy milk with it, right? It doesn't work, right? Go ahead and give it a try, by the way. I'd really like that. Go to your nearest market and say, hello, would you like to see my 401k statement? I believe this will buy me 300 gallons of milk. Not gonna work. But with real estate, if you do it the right way, it's generating cash flow that hits your account every single month. That's money you could buy diapers with. That's money you could buy milk with. That's money you can spend, in my case, for my children on Pokemon cards. You guys get the idea. So if you're tired of the roller coaster investment opportunities, then look, it's time to ditch crypto. It's time to get real. It's time to stop focusing on the stock market, and it's time to do something different. Here at Done For You Real Estate, we want to assist you with that. So here's my invitation. Click the link below. We want to make sure that we can get on the phone with you, book a call, allow us to get together and help you figure some things out, okay? Real estate is a stable investment that'll always have value, even when the market is uncertain. Real estate's created wealth for those who can see the opportunity. It's a great way to combat inflation and to save on taxes. Plus, you don't have to be a landlord or do any of the stuff that you don't want to do when it comes to real estate because it can be done for you. So just think about that. Wouldn't it be awesome to invest your money and not have to worry about it for years? That's what we do at Done For You Real Estate. So click the link, let us do the work, let you gain the benefit, and start taking advantage of this incredible market and the opportunity that is right in front of you. Click the link below, and we'll talk to you real soon.